Hi Varshini.
What we are going to see today?
Today we are going to solve this equation which is in square root. This is very simple and easy trick which we are going to solve that. Okay, this is now 3 square root of 28 plus 4 square root of 63. 3 square root of 7. This is the equation given. We are going to solve this equation. Now we are dividing this 3 square root of 28 divided by 3 square root of 7 plus 4 square root of 63 by 3 square root of 7, and now this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled, so square root of 28 divided by 7 square root plus we are taking this 4 by 3 out and square root of 63 by square root of 7. Now we have numerator and denominator, we have square root, we are making whole square root of both. This 28 divided by 7 plus 4 by 3 into, here also same thing, 63 by 7. This will be get cancelled, which means you have 4 times of 7, and here 9 times. Square root of 4 plus 4 by 3 into square of 9. Now this square was 2 plus 4 by 3 into this 3. This 3 will get cancelled. Now therefore equal to 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 6 is the answer.